Choco misses the pool. How many peppers I pick up today from one little spot. Those are Portuguese peppers. Choco misses the pool. Can't believe this. Okay, let's come back to peppers. So, those are ghost peppers. Those are really spicy but like earthy taste. Those are serrano. And those are some chili peppers. I don't even know what kind, but it's many. From just one bush I got the ghost peppers. Choco! 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 And I'm making picture. He just misses the pool. Look at this. Oh. Look. Wow. We closed the pool today for winter. And he cannot get it. Why? Choco. Choco. Hey, sweetheart. Pool is closed, huh? Yeah. And chickens are happy. Separated. This ones. Choco came back. Choconho. Choco. He can't understand why there's no water there. Oh, he's playing with his tail. Oh, what? Hmm? Now I'm gonna pick up tomatoes. Those are the cherry tomatoes. For salads, they're great. Tomatoes. Those are the little ones. Here are tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Lots of them. Some yellow tomato.